Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing of the Curlbox. It looks like this. So if you want to see me unboxing this Curlbox, then make sure you stick around for the video. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. Alright, I will see you guys in the video. Okie dokie, let's get right into it. This is what the box looks like. I ordered this box from Curlbox.com. I'll put the link down in the description box. I believe I paid $15 for this box. I didn't have to pay anything extra for shipping. And for those that don't know about Curlbox, they primarily specialize in sending out hair products for people with curly hair or naturally curly hair. So this is my first time ordering anything from them, but that's what the box looks like. Let me open it. Kind of heavy, but comes with a little card, and the card tells you this is actually Ursi's. I guess Ursi's a hairstylist. Oh, it says she's a celebrity stylist and a Unilever global hair care brand ambassador. So yeah, so I guess she curated this box, and so it just tells you different like styling tips, and it also shows you like a picture of the products that come in the box. So you get that little card there, and then there's another little card that says, "Hey girlfriend, tell us what you think." So I guess you can talk about your box on Instagram for a chance to win a prize. So that also comes in a box. So let's get to the actual box and what's in here. So in this box, it comes with Suave Professionals Natural Shea Butter and Pure Coconut Oil Curl Defining Cream. It has no parabens, no dyes, moisture rich, and color safe. That's what that looks like. Pretty nice size bottle, 12 ounces. Then you also get the coordinating shampoo, and it's also got the shea butter and coconut oil in it as well. Also no parabens, no dyes, no sulfates. You also get the moisturizing curl conditioner, and these are all Suave products. This is a 16.5 ounce. Same for the shampoo. So you get two 16.5 ounces. You get one shampoo, one conditioner, and you get a curl defining. That's what came in the box. Also outside of the box, I guess this stuff was so big that it couldn't fit all in the actual box. So when they shipped it to me, they had some products sitting on top. So I'll show you guys also the products that came. Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Curl Hold Level 2 for type 2A to 3C curls. So it came with this big bottle of hairspray. That's a 5.5 ounce. I'm not a super fan of hairspray personally. I really don't use it that often. Only time I think I really use hairspray is when I am doing like an updo or when I'm wearing my hair straight. But I guess it'll still be good to have it because I do straighten my hair from time to time, and I'll do like updos or ponytails. But like if I'm wearing my hair like this, or like I'm not putting no hairspray on it. That's just me. So Beauty and Planet Rose and Almond Natural Oils Infusion Vibrant Shine and Gloss. So I guess this is like a oil that you can put in your hair. It says you can use it as a deep treatment before washing, or you can use it to tame wet or dry hair when styling. 4 ounce. So not bad. I think that's a pretty good value. I got 5 products in total and only paid $15 plus tax. I didn't have to pay anything additional for shipping. So I would definitely be ordering stuff from Curlbox. Again, I know that they do have a subscription where you're able to get a box monthly, but it seems like every time I try to get one, I always miss the mark with the wait list. It seems like their stuff goes pretty quickly. So I'll definitely be in the future looking to try to set an alarm on my phone or something so that I'm able to get my hands on an actual subscription box. But this was a non-subscription box. And again, I said it was only $15 for 5 products. You know, depending on what the product is, you may spend $15 just on one product or $15 on just 2 products. So to get 5 full-size products for $15 plus tax, not having to pay for shipping, You can't beat it at all. So it might have been like $16.40 or something with tax. So that's a really great deal. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading a video. See you in the next one. Smooches.